Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are all welcome. Today what we are doing is fish stew. Okay, my kids don't normally like fish, but they like this type of fish. This is called red sea bream. They love this fish, so this is what I normally use for my fish stew, but you can use any fish that you prefer. So what I have here, I've washed it nicely with lemon, so it's really nicely washed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just season it. So I have, as usual, my black pepper. I love a bit of black pepper. All right, and I have some onion powder. It makes it really nice. And I have some ginger powder. And I have just a little bit of garlic powder, and then I have cumin. Give that a aroma. And then I have, if you follow me, I have this mixture of herbs that I normally use. If you want this recipe, the mixture of herbs that I normally use for my recipes, just comment down below and I'll just do a video on that for you guys. So that is my mixture of herbs. Okay, and I add a bit of salt to it as well. I like adding a bit of smoked paprika. It just gives it a lovely aroma. All right, so I'm going to toss this. So what I normally do, I'll just put this away for about 20 to 30 minutes before I fry it. In Ghana, we normally fry our fish when you're doing a fish stew because it gives it a lovely taste. So if you've not tried that, you have to try. Just go along with me, okay? And you will love this fish stew. So guys, as you can see, I have some oil in a pan here, and I'm going to fry my fish. But before I fry it, I just want to put some onions in it. I just like doing it because it gives it the oil very lovely smell, and it helps fragrance the fish as well. I normally do that. I'm going to use that for the stew anyway, so, and some bit of green pepper. You are going to really love the smell that comes from these two, the onions and the green pepper. So I'm going to put my fish in, but before I put my fish in, I'm going to add a bit of flour. So guys, we're about to fry our stew. Okay, what I have here, I've put the same oil that I used for the fish, and yeah, so this is what we're going to do. What I have here, I'm going to put some spices in. Okay, I have this is grains of selim and some fennel seeds and some cloves, and I've just crushed it a little bit. I'm going to put that into the oil. This is all to make the oil have a very great and lovely aroma. I'm also going to add just a bit of curry powder, just about a teaspoon. I'm going to put a bit more into it later on. So I'll let this just boil, just simmer for a few minutes before I add my other ingredients. just to give the oil a really lovely aroma. This for just about 2 minutes, because if you leave it for a long time it will burn and your stew will taste bitter. So what I have here, I just want to explain this to you. This is just a lot of ginger, garlic, onions, some thyme, and also some rosemary that I've blended together. And I've blended it with the onions and the sweet pepper that I did fry, the caramelized one that I did fry it with the fish. They are all blended into this. So I'm going to add that to my smells really lovely. So I'll allow this to cook for a while. So guys, our stew is really cooking nicely. So what I'm going to add, some tomato puree. I'll allow this to cook for a few minutes, and then I'll add my fresh tomatoes. Right guys, so I'm going to put my fresh tomatoes in. I have lots of tomatoes. Right, this is my tomatoes. I really cut them. I use my food processor to cut them into small bits. It helps it cook quicker. So I'm going to cover this until it cooks. Can be about 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. So guys, our stew is really cooking nicely. I want to add a bit of spice to it. Just added a teaspoon of cumin, another teaspoon of curry powder, and a teaspoon of aniseed. Smells amazing. Right, I've added no salt, so I'm going to add salt to it, and add salt to taste. So guys, as you can see, our stew is done. Okay, if you see oil on top, means that the stew is cooked nicely. So what I'm going to do, in order to put some veg, my kids don't like a lot of veg, so I put the veg in the stew so that they'll eat it. So I have some carrots, and I have some spring onions. I put that in. It makes it colorful as well. And then I'm going to add some chopped peppers. I don't want this to overcook because I like the crunch. So I'm going to add my fish now. Guys, if you put the fish in, you don't have to be stirring it a lot because you can just break them up. So guys, this is our fish stew done. It smells amazing, I'm telling you. It's delicious. You know, it's very easy recipe, so you have to try this recipe. Okay, I'm going to serve. You can serve it with anything, with rice, with yam, with anything at all, and it's delicious. So guys, this is our fish stew. I'm having it with rice. It's delicious. You have to try this recipe. Okay, it's lovely, as you can see. So if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notification so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God bless you. Bye.